All right, good morning. This is our first tutorial that will be uploaded onto Google Classroom. So today we did multiplying larger numbers in math. So this is a 3-digit by 2-digit problem that was previously solved, but I'm going to break it down into two separate ways that I've been teaching the kids to do this in class. And if you're listening, you probably remember. So our first way we are going to do it is the box method, or the generic rectangle. So I'm going to make my rectangle, and I'm going to split it up by place value. So 556, I'm going to break it by place value. So the 5 in the hundreds place is the value is 500, plus the 5 in the tens would be 50, plus the 1s in the 6 would be 6, which equals 556. That's where this comes from. Then I'm going to break up the 34. The 3 in the tens place, the value is 30, plus the 4 in the ones place is 4. So 30 plus 4 would give me 34. Okay? Then what I would do is I would just multiply accordingly. So 30 times 500 would be 3 times 5, which is 15. Add my 3 zeros, so 15,000. 30 times 50, you can do 5 times 3, which is 15. Add my 2 zeros, 1, 2, 1, 2. 30 times 6, you can do 6 times 3, which is 18. Add my 1 0 to the end, which is 180. So now I've done 30 times each of these numbers. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 4 times each of these numbers. So 4 times 5 is 20. Add my 2 zeros to make that 2,000. 4 times 5 is 20. Add my 1 0 to make that 200. And 6 times 4 is 24. Okay? Then what I would do with each of these partial products is I would add them up. So 15,000, 2,000, 1,500, 200, 180, and 24.
Thank you.
So what I would do then is I would add these all up, and eventually I would come to my answer of 18,904. Make sure your place values are lined up properly in order for you to get the same answer. Okay? So moving on to the standard algorithm, which is what I have already showed you guys, but I feel that sometimes students misunderstand what numbers to multiply and in what particular order. So I will just write the number down here again. So we're going to start with our ones place. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 down here, bring my 2 up here. 5 times 4 is 20, plus this 2 is 22. 4 times 5 is 20, plus my 2 is 22. Do not forget your placeholder. When you go to the tens place, you always have to put a placeholder of 0 down here in order for the place value to work. Because remember, this 3 in 34 is not really 3, it's 30. So 6 times 3 is 18. And I like to cross these out once I've added them. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Okay, when I add these two partial products up, I should get my same answer of 18,904. Let's check it out. 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 plus 8 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 6 is 8, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So 18,904 all the way around. All right, I hope this helps.